So in this short overview, we will have a look at what getting started one looks like. So here, by typing a single command, it will download an agent which contains a robotic simulator. So the agent is being downloaded, installed, and then I can play through my keyboard with my current simulated robot speed. So we can see the trigger, i.e. the data capture scenarios, will capture some data once the speed is above 30 kilometers an hour. So I'm cruising it on my keyboard, and as soon as I'm above 30, I should get some events. So now I'm looking at the smart data, I can see my event. And now when I come back, I'm going to put the speed down and then back up to generate another event. Let's refresh the page, and here I can see my two events. So now let's open up one of these events, and I can see the recording, which is an MCAP, and then I can download it or view it.